Do you know India is the world's largest democracy and has the world's longest constitution? The Constitution of India is the base for its democracy. India, a union of states, is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic with a parliamentary system of government. Apart from India, the United States of America, United Kingdom, France and Germany are some of the countries that have democratic governments. So, what exactly is democracy? According to Abraham Lincoln, democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. In simple terms, it is a form of government where people are governed by the representatives elected by them. Let us now look at the essential features of democratic government. In a democracy, the decision-making power lies with the elected leaders. Let us consider the example of Pakistan under the rule of army, its official General Musharraf. He was not an elected representative, but still he had all the powers to take final decisions concerned with the government. Can we call it as democratic? No, we cannot. In a democratic nation, the decision-making power lies in the hands of representatives elected by the people. A democracy holds free and fair elections. Let us consider an example of electoral process of our neighboring country, China. In China, the government elections are regularly conducted every 5 years for electing the country's parliament. The parliament is known as National People's Congress. In 2002, only the Communist Party and its allied parties contested the elections. As a result, the government is always formed by the Communist Party. This election process as democratic? Obviously not. A democracy must support free and fair elections. It means the current government, which is in power, should have a fair chance of losing. In a democracy, the rule is one person, one vote, one value. If we consider an example of Saudi Arabia, until 2015, women did not possess the right to vote. This system cannot be considered as democracy. Political equality is the fundamental principle of democracy. In a democracy, there exists a policy of one vote for each adult citizen with one value. In a democracy, there is rule of law and respect for rights. A democratic government cannot act or run the government as it wishes. It has to function on the basis of certain basic rules. Before making any major policy decisions, it must go through a series of consultations. It has to act under the complete surveillance of the Constitution and the law. In a democratic government, every citizen has certain fundamental rights. Thus, a democratic form of government functions within limits of constitutional law and citizens' rights. Let us now understand why we need democracy. A democratic government is the most accountable form of government. In a democracy, the quality of decision-making is much better than any other form of government. Democracy provides a better way to deal with differences of opinion and conflicts. More than anything, democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. Thus, democracy is better when compared to any other forms of government as it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Let's recap the points we learned.